This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and you're on Wi-Fi so downloads won't fail. Once done, verify storage, free at least 500 megabytes, and clear cache if the gallery or camera shows errors. Next, go to Settings, Apps, and Find Camera. Enable it if it's disabled or unhide it. Do this now because restoring or reinstalling depends on the app's current state and available storage, which prevents interrupted restores. Now continue by acting on what you found. If the camera was disabled, tap Enable and immediately reboot the phone so system services re-register the app. If the camera is missing, open Galaxy Store and search for Samsung Camera. Reinstall the official app rather than a third-party lookalike. Make sure to sign into your Samsung account so Smart Switch can restore prior camera settings and modes. This preserves modes like Pro and Single Take, otherwise you'll lose custom profiles. Finish by opening the camera app and granting all requested permissions, camera, microphone, and storage, so features work correctly. If the app still crashes or shows black screen, go to Settings, Apps, Camera, Storage, clear cache, and then force stop before reopening. If that fails, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party app conflicts. If camera works there, uninstall recent apps. Finally, if problems continue, update system software, keeping firmware current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.